Welcome to CoinsBee.com. In this video, you will learn how to buy gift cards on CoinsBee. Once you are on the main page, the first step is to click the Buy Gift Cards button in the top left corner of the page, and you will be led to the gift card shop. Here, you can select your region. Then, choose the brand you want to buy. On this page, you can select the card value and view the price as Bitcoin or in other cryptocurrencies. When you are done, click Add to Cart. With this, the product was added to the shopping cart. Go to the shopping cart and enter your email where you want to receive the gift card code and the invoice. Then, proceed to checkout. Here you will find a summary of your order. Confirm the checkboxes and click Buy Now with cryptocurrencies. You will be redirected to the payment page where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to pay with. Once you've done that, copy the address and go to the platform where you want to make the payment. Send the specified amount to the copied address. Once you've successfully paid, you will receive an email with your gift card code and the invoice. Thanks for watching!